Listen up, if you have a phone and an internet connection, you can start earning $100 a day using just Google. No investment, no experience, and I'm about to show you the exact steps, even if you're starting from zero.
Step 1. Go to Google News.
Type a topic you're interested in, like technology, health, or finance. These are evergreen niches that get traffic daily. Find a trending article. Let's say it's about a new AI tool. What we're going to do is repurpose this content and make it your own using ChatGPT, and then publish it on platforms that pay you per view. Now copy the article headline and content. Open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. In just seconds, you'll have a fresh, original piece, written by AI, ready to publish. Now it's time to monetize. You have two great platforms, Medium and Vocals Media. On Medium, you can join the partner program, which pays based on how long people read your articles. Vocals Media is another site that pays per 1,000 views. No need to build your own website or audience, just write, post, and earn. Want to earn even more? Use Quora. It's a Q&A site where millions ask questions daily. Use ChatGPT to answer popular questions. End your answer with a link to your article. You're now getting free traffic from Quora to your blog, which means more money. Even better, add a relevant affiliate link inside your article using Amazon or Digistore 24, and now you've added another stream of income. If you write one article a day, share it on Quora, Facebook groups, or Reddit, your traffic starts building. Imagine having 30 income-generating articles in 30 days. That's how you turn $5 day into $100 day. Consistency is the secret. Don't expect $100 on day one. But if you follow this exact system, it's guaranteed to grow. If you made it till here, you're already ahead of 99% of people who never take action. This system is free, beginner-friendly, and scalable.
So don't wait.
Save this video before it disappears. Try this method for 7 days and let me know your results in the comments.